And the fifth strategy used is, they quote things of Islam correct, but they give it a different angle. What they say is a problem to humanity, and they portray as though Islam is the problem for humanity. Actually, it is not a problem, it is the solution for the problems of humanity. I've given a talk, Islam the solution, not the problem for humanity. Time does not permit me to speak in detail on this subject. But these are the various strategies used by the media to malign Islam. And we find today on the international media that they call the Muslims as fundamentalists, as extremists, as terrorists. And most of us, they are apologetic. No, yes, I'm not a fundamentalist, There are some people who are fundamentalist. I'm not a fundamentalist. I'm not extremist. Most of us Muslims, we are apologetic. We go on the defense. We Muslims should be dais. It is compulsory for every Muslim to convey the message of Islam to the others. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Al-Imran, chapter number 3, verse number 110, "Kuntum khayra ummatin ukhrijat lin-nas." O ye Muslims, ye are the best of people of all for mankind. Kuntum khayra ummatin ukhrijat lin-nas. Ta'miruna bil ma'ruf wa tanhauna 'anil munkar wa tu'minuna billah. Because we enjoin what is good and we forbid what is wrong and we believe in Allah. We are called as the Khaira Ummah, the best of people, because we are supposed to enjoin what is good and forbid what is wrong and believe in Allah. If we do not enjoin what is good and if we do not forbid what is wrong, we aren't fit to be called as Muslims. We aren't fit to be called as Khaira Ummah. We should be proud to call ourselves Muslims. We should know how to turn the tables over. I remember when I was doing martial arts in my young days. Now also I'm young, mashallah. In my school days, I could say. We always taught in martial arts, whether it be judo, jiu-jitsu, that we should use the force of the opponent to throw him over, rather than resist. If someone is pushing me, and he is a big giant, you can see my physique. Nothing great. Yet, I like not having any podium, because that's a technique of the media. Not that I have a very good physique. I like my body language to be seen. So when someone who is a big giant who tries to use force against you, rather than resisting, use his force to throw him over. And bigger the person, the harder he falls.